This is very unique style box.
Yeah, it's got an amazing battery.
Oh yeah. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Word up, no rap, no trap, your boy. One that grab my dick, too lazy, hold it for me. I'm straight that brick, bust the head stick and drugs, I'm everlasting. Like it's so on pro cash, a tech line, when I rhyme, just like mine, is mine. The album couldn't fuck with one.
Whoa, so what's your name and what's in here, man?
Trevor Norris, I have 6 SA Classic hybrids, but from Directronics on 3 cab 45s. I just threw in 2 Sundown SIA 1750s on the 6.5s.
Okay. Wow. This is a pretty tight space box right here.
It is.
Did you have
I
to
had to take the panels off to fit it?
Really? Okay. Nice. Do you know how big it is?
64, 18, 24.
Okay.
It uses every inch of space.
Oh yeah. What's your SPL like?
It'll do 50s.
Okay.
I put too many braces in and now it ain't too happy.
Yeah. You want me to open the doors back up? Is it? Okay. Thank you. This one too? You can open this one too, he said.
Yeah, it loads on this side.
It does? Okay. What's your tuning bandwidth like?
It'll play anywhere from 26-ish to 50-something.
All right. This is very unique style box.
Yeah, it's got an amazing battery.
Oh yeah. How low is it play down to, you think?
It'll play down. It doesn't really like it, but it'll play to 25.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, I like to hear it, man.
Chicken blue things and let them know we winning. Woke up on me too, changing minds, so I spin it. I'm really getting money. Nigga, that ain't no mystery. Got a cold ranks, I can see it ain't shit to me. Man, I got extra grams,
showing me. This is very unique style box.
Yeah, it's got
Yeah.
amazing bass.
Oh yeah. How low is it play down to, you think?
It'll play down. It doesn't really like it, but it'll play to 25.
Oh, okay. Nice. Well, nice to meet you, man. Your name?
Trevor.
Trevor. All right, JacobViral. Nice. You have a good day, man. Appreciate you showing me. Oh yeah.